Hello everybody, today we gotta make angel wings. For the ingredients we got flour, yolk eggs, sugar. I got a tablespoon of vodka, like this when you fry, the oil it no stay on your angel wings. We got a baking powder, and we got a sour cream, we got a salt, and the powdered sugar it's right over here when you fry. You put a spread on the top, okay, it looks so beautiful and delicious. And for fry, we use grape seed oil. Now, first thing to start, we start with the eggs. Yeah, I put it right on this bowl over here. And sugar. And now we gotta mix this really good. You gotta come a nice cream. Okay, now I did this for a couple of minutes. And you see it come out nice creamy already, a little thick. It's the way it gotta be like this. Look how beautiful it looking now. Okay, now what I wanna do, I wanna start to put, I got over here a little salt. And we mix it together, everything this. I got the biggest powder. And we mix over here. We load a little bit the machine and now the whip. And now I want to stop. And now we put the sour cream inside and we gotta mix everything together. And now we turn this with the sour cream. The mix really good this too. Okay, now we gotta start with the flour. The flour I like it to put a little bit at a time. Like this I want the mix really good. And we raise a little bit the machine over here. And we start with the flour. We load the speed a little bit because now with the flour it starts to come thick and more hard with the flour. Now it starts to get dry. Because this dough for the angel wings, it gotta be really hard the dough. Okay, now I got a little vodka and I put inside. And we gotta mix it really good now. Okay, now I want to put on this board, I want to mix really good by hand. Now we stop the machine and we put this now on this board. And now we mix by hand. Make sure the mix really, really good. Now this is mix really good, and now I cover. It gotta go in the refrigerator for half hour. Okay, look how beautiful it look. Make sure look how nice. Okay, now this was a half hour in the refrigerator. It look how nice, hard it is. It's really, really good. Now only I put a little bit flour, not too much. Don't think like this. And I start do by hand, because this you gotta be nice, thin. And I use my mattarello. Okay, now this we gotta work, it gotta be really, really thin. Okay, now we can start the cutter. I use this little wheel over here, make a nice design. Okay, and we roll. Okay, now before I cut, I want to do it again like this. I want to make a little bit more thin. And you do a couple of times like that. After the cut, you can cut the size you like. Now this one it's long piece. And I do like this. I do 1, and 2, and I got a 3 piece. After what you do on the middle over here, you make a little hole. One time you do like this, you open, and you take this, and you put inside over here, like that. And now we do the rest the same after we go to fry. Okay, now we start the fry. Now make sure you leave it fry a little bit like this. After you make sure to turn on the other side, the big beautiful gold color. Okay, let's take it out because this is ready. And we put it right over here on the paper towel. Okay, now we use a little powdered sugar and we put right on the top like little snow. Look how beautiful looking now. Huh? Beautiful. Nice. And now let me taste. Look how beautiful. The egg is a beautiful color. Really good. Thank you everybody, and we see you next time. Salute e cin cin.